Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dilek, and if you always want to learn Kazakhs and didn't know where to start, you are in the right place. My name is Dilek, and this is the Kazakh grammar course for English speakers. Before we start, let me know in the comments, why do you want to learn Kazakh? Is it for travel, work, or just for fun? I'd love to hear your reasons. This course is designed to take you from absolute beginner to confident speaker. We will cover the Kazakh alphabet and pronunciation, sentence structure, grammar rules, useful phrases for everyday conversations, numbers, dates, and telling time, and much more. Each lesson is about 10-15 minutes long, so you can learn at your own pace. To get the most of this course, here is what you should do. Watch the full lesson, don't skip ahead, please. Repeat after me when I say new words. Practice with exercises at the end of each lesson. I hope I'll do it also. By following these steps, you'll learn faster and retain more. Try watching each lesson twice, once for understanding and once for speaking practice. This course is for anyone who wants to learn Kazakh, whether you plan to travel to Kazakhstan, want to connect with Kazakh speaking friends and family, need it for work or studies, or just love learning or languages. You'll find everything you need here. So here's a quick roadmap of what's coming up in the next few lessons. Of course, download in this course. I can attach PDF, and in this PDF file you can find all that topics. In these topics like the Kazakh alphabet and pronunciation, of course, basic sentence structure, greetings and common phrases, numbers and counting, and many more exciting topics. Which lesson are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. So I'm super excited to start this journey with you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notification so you don't miss the first lesson. Let's learn Kazakh together. See you in lesson 1. Qosh, sağ olunuzlar. Bye bye.